Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 25 of our 30 Days of Yoga Challenge. And today we are focusing on chair yoga. So this will be our last chair yoga session of the series, and we'll be focusing more on a little bit of balance. So what you'll need today is a chair, and that can be a kitchen chair. Go ahead and grab that, and we will get started. Okay, so we're going to start seated in our chair, and I'm just going to come to the edge of the chair and have the feet planted on the mat. Hands can rest in your lap. Sit tall. We'll start with our 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Again, inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale, exhale, and then reach your arms in front of you. I'm just going to do 3 reps of getting up and down without using our hands. If you have to, you can always use the seat of the chair or the arms of the chair if you have arms in the chair. So I'm going to have my arms out. You're going to press your feet into the mat, lean forward, lift, and then we're going to do the same thing, go back down. Start to bend, sit, and sit straight. So as we're getting up, we're feeling our hamstrings starting to tighten and work to help us get up. Let's do that again. So start to press your feet into the mat, reach forward, lift, and then rewind. Start to bring the hips back, sit. Last time, we're going to stay standing this time. So press your feet down, move forward, start to lift, and then reach your hands down by your side. From here, we're going to take our chair and just place it in front of us. And then from here, let's inhale, bring our arms out and up. Exhale, bring the arms forward and grab your chair. So have your head in line with the chair, and you can walk your feet back so you're kind of in an L shape here, upside down L shape. And then inhale, lift the head, look forward. Exhale, coming down back to our L shape. Inhale, lift the head, lift the chest. Exhale, coming forward. One more time, inhale. And exhale. And then lifting the head, step the left foot forward, right here. Now I'm just gonna move my chair over a little and then allow my head to go back. And you may have to adjust here. Allow my head to come down just like we were, but this time we're in a pyramid pose. So think about bringing your right hip forward and left hip back. Inhale, lift the head and lift the chest. Exhale, down. Now, if you'd like to go a little further, you can kind of hold on to the seat of the chair as well. That's going to give you a deeper hamstring stretch here. So inhale, lift the head, lift the chest. And exhale, straighten the leg. And I'm just going to come back to the top of the chair. One more time. Inhale, lift the head and the chest. And exhale. And then coming back up, go ahead and step the right foot forward. And we're going to keep the left hand on the chair, turning to the side. and just standing about arm's length away from the chair. So we're going to do a little bit of a half moon pose here with the chair as our prop. Usually we use a block, but since we're standing, we're going to use our chair. So hold on to the chair with the left hand. You can start with your hand on your hip, your right hand on your hip. Keep the left foot rooted down, or the foot that's closest to the chair rooted down. And then what you're going to do is start to bend the hand that is, or bend the arm that is holding on to the chair towards you, and then start to lift the outside leg up. And come down. And this time we're going to bring our arms out. So like we're in a full half moon. Bending, extending that right leg and right hand, and coming down. And you can choose to do it a little further away just for more balance, but you'll have to grab the chair. So just be careful about that. So we start here with our left foot grounded, left arm is out, reaching for the chair, and right arm is out. So you can start to lean forward, standing on that left leg, grab your chair, reach the right leg up and the right arm, and coming down. And we'll do that one more time. Extending the arms, reaching for the chair, lifting the right leg and right arm, and coming down. And then we'll come back and start that again, just as we were doing it. If you want to bring your chair closer in, you can. And standing in front of it, hands down by your side to start. Inhale, reach your arms out and up. Exhale, reach them forward onto the back of the chair. Walk your feet back, coming back to your L shape here. Inhale, lift the head, lift the chest. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. And then coming up, we're going to step that right foot forward. And just giving yourself some room. Of course, you can move the chair forward. So keep the right leg straight and the left. Holding onto your chair. Inhale with the head and chest lifted. Exhale as you come down. And just remember, you can always come down to the seat of the chair as well to get a deeper stretch. Inhale, lift the head, lift the chest. And exhale down. Inhale, lift the head and chest. Exhale down. And then coming back up. Stepping forward. And I'm just going to move my chair to the other side so that you can see me doing the half moon, just like we started. You can start about arm's length away. So we're going to keep that right foot down this time. So the right foot is the one closest to the chair. Hand on your hip to start. And then you'll start to lean towards the right as you bend the right elbow and lift the left leg. And then come down. Second time you can add the arm extended. Leaning towards the right, bending the right arm, and lifting the left leg and the left arm at the same time. And again, leaning to the right, bending the right elbow, and lifting the left leg and left arm. And coming down. And you can do the same thing here, moving the chair further away from you, or moving further away from the chair, in my case. And just keeping your arms extended. So one arm's going to reach for the chair, the other one's going to stay extended. So keeping this foot grounded into the mat. Start to lean to the left as you lift the left leg, or lean to the right, I mean. Coming back to our half moon, and down. Going for the second time, arms out. Keep this leg stable. Start to lift this leg, and then reach for the chair. Bend the right arm and reach the left leg and arm up at the same time. And try not to sink your head into your shoulders. Keeping some space there. One more time. Arms out. Leaning to the right, grabbing the chair, bending the elbow, and reaching the left leg and left arm up. And coming down. And then let's come back to our seated position. Bring the chair back to the center. And sitting on the edge of the chair with the feet planted. Let's bring our arms back out in front of us. We'll do the same thing that we started with. Lean forward, press your feet into the mat, and lift as you stand. And rewind. Send the hips back. Sit as you sit tall. 2 more times. Lean forward, press, lift. You'll feel the hamstrings engaged. And then reach the hips back. Sit. Arms in front of you. 1 more time. Lean forward, press the feet into the mat. Lift. And then lean back, or bring the hips back and sit. And then let the hands rest on your thighs. Rolling your shoulders up and back, opening the chest. Let's end with our 3 deep breaths. Let's inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One last time. Inhale. And exhale. Thanks for joining me today for our chair yoga session focused on balance. And I hope that you were able to view balance in a different way through this practice. And just remember that using a chair can help you to improve your balance. And I know because I suck at balance. But that's it for today. And I will see you all tomorrow for day 26 of our 30-day yoga challenge.